Hi, this is PR Sundar and welcome to this special episode where I'm going to talk about Reliance Industries trade. In fact, I gave one strategy in the Twitter. So I will also be talking about that. Just for fun, I think I told you I'm going to trade only in Adani Enterprise and Adani Port in order to fund my Mercedes-Benz S-Class purchase. And I've already shown you about 3 months time, I've already made about 49 lakh rupees profit. If you have not seen that video, you can go and watch that video here. And in the month of October, how much profit I made? Oh, that is a surprise. That will be the next video. And especially on the last trading session of the October, Adani Enterprise fell 10% and Adani Port fell 7%. How did I manage? That I'll show you in the next video. Then one day when I was talking to my son, so my son told me, Daddy, you are funding your S-Class through Adani Enterprise, Adani Port trade. Petrol prices are so high, and how are you going to fund the petrol prices? Yeah, really petrol prices are very high. Today I checked in Mumbai, a petrol price is more than 115 rupees. Diesel is more than 105 rupees. Then I told my son, who are the two famous people in India? One is Ambani's, Adani's. So Adani Group we have chosen for funding the S-Class, and then we will choose Ambani for petrol. And it will be more appropriate because the Ambanis are the people who are making petrol and diesel. So Reliance Industries' main business is oil and gas. So you can think I'm doing the Reliance trade just to fund my petrol purchases. Okay, so without wasting our time, just let me take you to the back office. So this is my back office. Yeah. So this is a new site. I'm not comfortable with the new site. So I just go to my old site. Click portfolio. Click details. And here click my portfolio report, profit loss report. So I think now the profit loss report has come. You click on this Excel, the entire profit loss will be downloaded into Excel. Okay, so just enable editing. I just change the font size to 14 so that it can be in better. We just straight away go to Reliance. So there will be too many trades. So this is NSE, index, yeah, the Reliance Industries. So until here is Power Finance Corporation. So the Reliance Industries starts from here. So I choose until this. Maybe I can use a different color code. I think one more I left out. So if you look at in July, the trading I started with 5 paisa in the month of July only. So from July until now, if you see my profit in Reliance Industries alone, you can see the profit is about 9,62,000. I think 9,62,000 in 4 months, I think is more than enough for petrol as well as insurance, maintenance and all other things. But we are not interested in looking at all things. Okay, we are looking only at the October trades. I'm just choosing only the October trade. Maybe I change the color code. So in the October trade alone, if you see, I have made about 3,23,000. So in 4 months, I made 9 lakh plus. October alone, I made 3 lakh plus. In fact, if you look at my Twitter post, on October 22nd, I did a strategy. I bought 2,600 call option. This is an error which I corrected later. I bought one lot of 2,600 call, sold 5 lots of 2,800 call, and then bought 4 lots of 3,000 call. Why? What is the rationale? The first thing is that, so this strategy is called butterfly strategy. You buy 1, sell 5, then buy 4. So in a butterfly strategy, the number of buy and the number of sell must be the same. Then only you will have a limited risk. Risk will be there, but it will be limited risk. And second thing, the margin benefit will also come. So if you sell a naked option, the margin will be so huge, but if for one sell, if there is one buy, then the margin is less. So So these are the two benefits. After I created, okay, you can look at the payoff chart. I have just written the price at which I sold or I bought. So if you have any doubt, you can check my contract note in the description. So you can see these prices. 2600 call options bought for 80 rupees, 2800 call options sold for about 18-19 rupees, and 3000 call option bought for about 4 rupees 50 paise. You look at the payoff chart. One good thing about this butterfly strategy is called call butterfly. If the market crashes, you don't lose anything, or you lose a very little money. And between 2600 and 2850, there is a profit. One thing is that Reliance Industries all-time high was 2750, and it has corrected about 100 points just ahead of the results. And I thought result will be good, it may go up, but it's not going to go up above 2850 because 2750 is the all-time high. So another 100 point buffer I have. So in case market shoots beyond 2850, there will be a loss, but then the loss is limited. But although it is limited, this loss is about 1,51,000 for one set of Reliance Industries. So I don't believe in this limited loss because limited loss is also 1,50,000, right? I don't think that Reliance is going to go to 3,000 or 4,000 like that. But still, at least for margin benefit, we buy this. So what happened? On that day evening, the results came. So I tweeted, rely on Reliance, results seems to be very good. GDR was up more than 3%. But the next day morning, here the market opened, it did not open 3% higher. It just opened about 1%, 1.5% higher. And what happened? I closed all the positions and I made good profit. But assuming I held on to the maturity, this would have resulted in some losses. I bought 20 lots of 2600 call option and sold 100 lots of 2800 call option and bought 80 lots of 3000 call option. Especially when you are doing with a huge volume, as and when there is a profit, it's better to exit the profit. If you look at my Excel sheet, you can see here the 2600 call option, but this is not, actually I bought only 5000, not 7500, because you can see 3000. So 3000 call option is trading at 20,000 quantity. So which means that I bought 5,000, 25,000 and 20,000. 5,000, 25,000, 20,000. The 1:5:4. The remaining trades are like, because I have been continuously trading. Like in the beginning of this month when it was around 2600, I would have done some 2600 straddle, this and that. So lot of other trades would have happened. So that's why if you look at this picture, you may not get the right picture. So you can see 2600 call option, 2800 call option, 3000 call option. So you will see that there is actually a net loss. Here 3.5 lakh loss, 2 lakh profit, 54,000 loss. But the quantity differs, you can see. So therefore there is no point in looking at this. There are so many other trades I would have done. So you can see 2660 call, 2700 call, 2760 call, 28 call, 29 call, 2400 put, 2500 put, 2600 put, 2700 put. So I do all kinds of things. Plus I went long in future also. There also I made about 41,000 profit. So overall in the month of October, I made about 3 lakh plus. So number one, if you create a strategy, and today I taught a strategy called butterfly strategy. You create a strategy, it is not necessary that you have to hold until the end of the expiry. In between, if there is a good profit, you can come out. Or in between, we can start doing some other adjustments. So that's what we are very famous for. We do a lot of adjustments and firefighting. Right. Even if you hold it until expiry, this butterfly strategies will give a very little loss only on the way down, but on the way up, it goes beyond a certain limit, there may be losses. In fact, this Reliance Industries strategy which I have given, which was in profit until the day before the expiry. On the day of expiry, Nifty fell to 200-300 point and Bank Nifty fell 1500 point and everything has fallen. It's a very big crash. And even if you are holding it until the maturity, you would not have worried too much. So there was a very minimal loss only. Today I have shared my Reliance Industries trade for the last 4 months and plus the October month strategy, butterfly strategy. So in this process I also taught you the butterfly strategy. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.